is a CountryBoyModz
All right, y'all.
production.
Oh my God! When I say this is a big, major difference. What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing today? We got another one. Big shout out to Lasfit for sending out some lights for the Sentra. The lights that we got today are going to be the replacements for the LED replacement for the halogen lights that's currently installed in the car. Excuse the fingerprints or whatever I got on here. A little grease on my fingers. Oh well. But yeah, we're gonna open it up. Well packaged, safe and stylish. Lasfit. Like I said, you want a pair, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And this one comes with the with your product manual. Manual book, and this also comes with the good lovely Lasfit stickers. So we got that, and here's the money maker right here. These beautiful headlights. As you can see, everything is pretty much equipped, packaged really well. Try not to touch it. I should have some gloves on, but I'm rocking out like that. That's pretty much the LEDs. These are super. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be amazing. Yeah. These are H11 for Nissan. It's for the Sentra, 2014 Nissan Sentra. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna install these bad boys in there. Let's go. Cover them back up. Appreciate you again, Lasfit. All right, y'all. So what we're gonna do, as you can see right here, this is driver's side. So we're gonna take this portion right here off, twist this cap off. And that's gonna give us access to, once we twist that cap off, that's gonna give us access to the actual headlight. The one below, that's for your brights. So we're gonna twist those out and do this other side. Under here, it still look good, man. Still look good. Car only got 80-something thousand miles on, 87, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So yep, we got them both off now. You don't have to do this, but what I'm gonna do is, just to be on the safe side with everything, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the negative cable, just so we don't have no power. And we're gonna get everything together, just for the safety part. All right, now we got that done. See if I can get this in a better angle. And get these Lasfit lights out the car, and we're gonna get started. So we got the lights here, and get ready to install these, man. Other side coming out. What's it called? It's a certain way that you're supposed to put the light in here, since it's not a projector lens. So you won't blind everybody. Let's hope I do that right. So what we're gonna do is pretty much install these. It's plug and play. Everything plug and play like it's usually. Like once you unplug that, you plug this one right in behind it. And it'll fit in place once you get it in there. So let's just hope that we got the polarities right. gonna lay that up here because we're really not gonna start it up or anything until we get everything going. So let's make our way to the opposite side over here. We're gonna do pretty much the same thing over here.
Twist it out, pull the light out, get the bulb out, put it in, get the Lasfit bulb. Alright, so now
we're gonna put the battery back on. We're gonna test the lights, see if they on the right polarities. Alright, time to cut the headlights on. Alright, so we got one that's got the polarities together the right way. As you can see, you see how bright everything just got, so it's actually pretty good. So we got that polarity right. We just need to switch this one around. So let's do that. All right, so we're gonna reverse polarity on it. What I mean by reversing polarity, whatever side that you was on, you flip it to the opposite side, pretty much. So we're gonna get that going, put that in here. We're gonna put the battery back on, test it out. All right. Yes, sir. We got them both in there now. And they're both bright. So we're gonna cut this off, tighten the battery back down. We're gonna put everything back together and we're gonna see what the headlights look like. All right, before I put it back on, this is what I was talking about down here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to get in good angle. This is what I was talking about. This sits out a little bit further than the cap would, so I will have to come through and modify a couple things on this cap here. See if you can see it. There we go. I had to come through and modify a couple things on the cap here, but overall, man, this looks good. Looks great. Looks good in the headlights. Probably can see it better over here. But yeah, it makes a huge difference. Yes, sir. Man, that looks 20 times better, man. What the world? That looks good. It looks really good. Not too much of a glare. We're gonna see. We'll do it on the test drive on the road real quick, and we're gonna see. But overall, man, look at that. That right there, big difference, huge difference. But let's take it on the road, see how much light the light output is compared to the halogens. All right, y'all. Oh my God. When I say this is a big, major difference, like I can see the whole world right now. People gonna be mad as shit at me. Oh, excuse my language. People gonna be mad at me. Well, they gonna be mad at us driving this car. They gonna be definitely mad at us. All right. They are definitely looking great on the car. Like I said, you can see the output. That's the output of them. Man, I think that's nice though. But yep, that's pretty much it. That's what they look like, and that's what we're gonna do from there. Appreciate y'all for watching. See y'all on the next one. Peace out. All right, let's do the last comparison. This the Lasfit lights on the Sentra. This is the factory Nissan LED lights. Lasfit LED on the Sentra, stock Nissan light. And y'all, when I say like the Nissan lights are a lot smoother because, like I said, it's in projector housing. Lasfit lights are not, but when I say that they're both looking great right now. I can't wait to get them fog lights, man. Now I'm gonna have to put the fog lights on the Sentra and the Ultima. Well, get the fog light bulbs, but I'm gonna have to put some fog lights on the Ultima now. Man, it's gonna be dope. But other than that, peace out, y'all. Take care.